Roof Cleaning Newbury, protecting your home the right way. If you are searching for Roof Cleaning Newbury, you want a company you can trust, you want experience, you want safety, and you want results that last. That is exactly what we deliver at Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, started by Mark Tuvey. For almost 30 years, we have cleaned and protected roofs across Oxfordshire and the surrounding counties. As a result, homeowners trust us with some of their biggest investments. Moreover, with 374 Google reviews, we are proud to be your best-rated exterior cleaning company. Although we are based in Abingdon, Oxfordshire, we regularly work in Newbury and the wider Berkshire area. Therefore, if your roof is covered in moss, algae or black staining, we can help. Why roof cleaning in Newbury matters. Newbury properties often suffer from moss growth. This is especially true on north-facing elevations. In addition, shaded areas stay damp for longer. Consequently, moss spreads quickly. Moss holds moisture. Over time, that moisture can damage tiles. Furthermore, blocked gutters often follow. Eventually, small issues turn into costly repairs. Moss has a filament root system that slowly eats away at the surface of the roof tile. Therefore, professional roof cleaning in Newbury is not just about appearance, it is about protection. Our proven roof cleaning process. Firstly, we carry out a full roof assessment, we check tile condition, we inspect access. Most importantly, we choose the safest method for your property. Depending on the roof type, we use gentle hot water, low pressure washing, specialist soft wash treatment, or manual moss removal where required. Unlike many companies, we do not take a one-size-fits-all approach. Instead, we match the method to the roof. As a result, tiles stay protected. Moreover, we invest heavily in the right equipment. For example, we use our multi-tel MZA 250 cherry picker where safe access is needed. Consequently, we work safely without cutting corners. Facebook is often covered with road traders walking up on roofs using high-powered jet washers with little knowledge or training. 2-year roof cleaning guarantee, confidence matters. Therefore, every roof clean comes with a 2-year guarantee against significant moss regrowth. If we get it wrong, we put it right. It is that simple. Furthermore, our treatments suppress organic growth. As a result, your roof stays cleaner for longer. Safety always comes first. Roof cleaning carries risk. However, we never compromise on safety. Our team undergoes regular training. We hold IPAF and PASMA certifications. In addition, we operate with $5 million public liability insurance and $10 million employer's liability cover. Because of this, homeowners in Newbury can relax. You are protected. Family-owned, professionally run, Alfresco remains a family-owned business. We have operated since 1996. The same founder still leads the company today. Moreover, we are not a one-man band with a ladder. We are a structured team of trained professionals supported by a full-time office. Therefore, when you call, real people answer. In addition, we communicate clearly. We confirm bookings, we send reminders, we keep you informed throughout. Why homeowners choose us for roof cleaning Newbury? There are cheaper options. However, cheaper often means rushed. By contrast, we focus on long-term results. 374 genuine Google reviews, nearly 30 years in business, specialist access equipment, 2-year guarantee, eco-conscious treatment systems, professional office support. As a result, many of our customers come through referrals. Furthermore, a large percentage return for additional services such as gutter clearing, render cleaning and window cleaning. Thinking about roof cleaning in Newbury? If your roof looks tired, now is the time to act. Because the longer moss remains, the greater the risk of damage. Therefore, the next step is simple. Arrange a professional assessment. We will inspect your roof. We will explain your options. Then we will provide a clear quotation. No pressure, no guesswork. Just honest advice from a company that has been protecting homes for almost 3 decades. If you are searching for trusted professional roof cleaning Newbury, Alfresco Exterior Cleaning is ready to help.